guys, welcome back. Today I will be filming the Revlon hair blow dry, the all-in-one Salon one-step. And I just got out the shower and washed my hair, so I will be doing it on wet hair. And then if you haven't seen my other videos of the things that I use to wash my hair, I start with my MOAC shampoo. Use my two-step, so the Briogeo shampoo and then the Briogeo conditioner. And then just so I don't like my hair to get dry, I also put a leave-in, which is the argan oil Morocco. And then also I put this in as a leave-in as well. It's the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Food. And then last, as my deep conditioner, I use the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore. These are just a couple of the tools that I use when I wash my hair. So my Detangler, when I put in my leave-in, I normally brush this through with my hair. And then I use this scalp brush to make sure that I get any buildup that's left in my scalp. So now I'm going to begin blow dry. I'll walk you guys through the process. Stay tuned. So I just applied all of my oils and now I'm going to begin applying some heat protectant in my hair. I use the Shea Iron Guard, a close-up view of it, and now I'm going to start by applying this. To section my hair into 4 sections and then begin blow drying. So far this is one side. I definitely love how fast and easy it was, and now I'm going to begin on the next side. feels super smooth and feels like it has moisture. And brush actually worked super fast. I was able to get this done in under 20 minutes. Definitely recommend of how you can use the brush to like brush it through your hair, and it doesn't feel like it caused too much heat damage as well, as long as you apply the right heat protectant. So thumbs up to Revlon. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave any comments about any new suggestion videos or anything else. And thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to show you guys more.